Hello and welcome to the Understanding Social Security video series. I'm Social Security Guy. This video series is designed to educate you on most facets of the program. Watch the videos in any order you like. Enjoy, and if you have time, please provide us your feedback. Nearly 60% of the people receiving Social Security benefits are women. In the 21st century, more women work, pay Social Security taxes, and earn credit toward monthly retirement income than at any other time in our nation's history. Some may work for a few years, leave the labor force to raise children, and eventually return to work. And some may choose not to work outside of the home. Whether they work, have worked, or have never worked, it is essential that women understand how Social Security can help them and their families. So let's get started. Women tend to care for many people, spouses, children, and parents. And although they have made significant strides, women are more likely to earn less over their lifetimes than men. They are less often covered by private retirement plans and more dependent on Social Security, and for a longer period of time, since, on average, women live about 5 years longer than men. Social Security offers a basic level of protection to all women covered by this program. When women work, they pay taxes into the Social Security system, providing for their own benefits. In addition, their husband's earnings can give them Social Security coverage as well. Women who do not work are often covered through their husband's work and can receive benefits when they retire, become disabled, or die. If you're a worker age 25 or older who's not receiving Social Security benefits, you will receive your annual Social Security statement about 3 months before your birthday. Take a close look at this document. There's a lot of great information in there. Benefit estimates for retirement, disability, family, survivors. It's all on your statement. Each year you want to confirm the earnings record on each statement, and if you find any errors, you want to contact your employer and the Social Security Administration. Also, make sure that all of this information is included in your retirement income plan, something everyone should have. If you don't have one, contact my office and we'll run one for you. Whenever you change your name, be sure to report the change to Social Security. Otherwise, your earnings may not be recorded properly, and you may not receive all the Social Security that you are due. Not changing your name with Social Security also can delay your income tax refund. You must show the administration a recently issued document as proof of your legal name change. Documents Social Security may accept to prove a legal name change include a marriage document, a divorce decree, a certificate of naturalization showing a new name, or a court order for a name change. The taxes you have paid into the Social Security system pay for 3 kinds of benefits: retirement, disability, and survivors. Now, if you are eligible for retirement or disability benefits, it's important to remember that other members of your family might be able to benefit as well. For instance, your spouse may benefit if 62 or older. He or she may still benefit if younger than 62 and caring for a child under 16. And that child may be 16 or older if they are disabled. Also, your children can benefit if they are unmarried and under 18. They can be 18 or 19 if attending elementary or high school full-time. They can also be 18 and older if they are disabled. Also, if you're divorced, your ex-spouse could be eligible for benefits on your record. You are self-employed if you operate a trade, business, or profession, either by yourself or as a partner. You report your earnings for Social Security when you file your federal income tax return. If your net earnings are $400 or more in a year, you must report your earnings on Schedule SE, in addition to other tax forms you must file. If you and your husband operate a business together, you are entitled to receive Social Security credits as a partner. Be sure to file a separate Schedule SE even though you and your husband file a joint income tax return. If you do not file a separate self-employment report,
you will not get Social Security benefits from your work because all of the earnings will be reported on your husband's record. If you have served in the military on active duty or on inactive duty for training since 1957, you paid into Social Security. Inactive duty service in the Armed Forces Reserves and National Guard weekend drills have been covered by Social Security since 1988. If you served in the military before 1957, you did not pay into Social Security directly, but your records may be credited with special earnings for Social Security purposes that count toward any benefits you may receive. When you apply for Social Security, the credits you receive for military service are added to your civilian work credits. The number of credits you have determines whether you qualify for Social Security.
To be eligible for Social Security, you need to have 40 credits. Depending on how much you get paid, you can earn up to 4 credits per year, which means that most people need only 10 years of work to qualify for Social Security benefits. In 2011, you will earn 1 credit for each $1,120 of earnings. This amount increases slightly each year as average earnings increase. People who were born prior to 1929 need fewer than 40 credits. You only need 39 credits if you were born in 28, 38 credits if you were born in 27, etc., etc.
If you were born in 1942 or earlier, you are already eligible for your Social Security full benefit. If you were born from 1943 to 1960, the age at which full retirement benefits are payable increases gradually to age 67. Use this chart to determine your full retirement age. You can continue to work and still receive retirement benefits. Your earnings in or after the month you reach your full retirement age will not reduce your Social Security benefits. However, your benefits will be reduced if your earnings exceed certain limits for the months before you reach your full retirement age. Here's how it works. If you are younger than full retirement age, $1 in benefits will be deducted for each $2 in earnings you have above the annual limit. In the year you reach your full retirement age, your benefits will be reduced $1 for every $3 you earn over an annual limit until the month you reach your full retirement age. Once you reach full retirement age, you can keep working and your Social Security benefit will not be reduced no matter how much you earn. If during the year your earnings are higher or lower than you estimated, you can let the Social Security Administration know and they will adjust your benefits. If you are eligible for benefits on more than one work record, such as your own and your husband's, you generally receive the higher benefit amount. When you apply for benefits, the Social Security representative can determine which record will give you the higher benefit. If you are eligible for a spouse's or ex-spouse's benefit and your own retirement benefit, you should file for both. The same rule applies to your husband or ex-husband. If your husband works past full retirement age and does not collect Social Security benefits, you can still retire and get benefits based on your own work. Then, when he does retire, you can receive benefits on his record if they would be higher. Another option comes into play if your spouse is full retirement age, especially if he plans to continue working. He can apply for retirement benefits and request to have the payments suspended. Then you can receive spouse's benefits and he can continue to earn delayed retirement credits until age 70.
Medicare health benefits are provided under the 4 parts of Medicare. Medicare taxes you pay while working finance Part A, hospital insurance that helps pay for inpatient hospital and skilled nursing care and other services. The other 3 parts of Medicare that are generally paid for by monthly premiums are Part B, medical insurance that help pays for doctor's fees, outpatient hospital visits, and other medical services and supplies. Part C, Medicare Advantage plans that allow people with Parts A and B to receive all of their health care services through one provider organization. And Part D, prescription drug coverage that helps pay for medications doctors prescribe for treatment. Please note, regardless of your full retirement age, you are eligible for Medicare the day you turn 65. I hope you have benefited from a look at how Social Security affects the financial situations of women in the United States. If you need a financial advisor to assist you with your financial affairs, please call my office and request an appointment to determine if we are a fit. I can work with your attorney, CPA, investment broker, and bank representative to coordinate your financial plan and ensure you are being treated fairly. My clientele includes widows, divorcees, business executives, business owners, as well as domestic partners. You're in control, and there's never any pressure. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.